Hello and welcome to my channel, Cook and Eat with Tony. So today, magluluto tayo ng puto cheese. So we need all-purpose flour and we need baking powder pang paalsa ng ating puto cheese na lulutuin. I'm using Calumet. And then sugar. We need white sugar, and then I'm going to use Birch Tree Choco powdered milk. So this is an experiment po. And then I'm using Daily Queso for cheese. This is a Magnolia product too. And we are going to use 1 cup of flour and sift that para mas maging pino at refined siya. So we are going to sift 1 cup of flour, okay? So this is an experiment ha. So just continue sifting the flour until wala na siyang buo-buong matira sa ating pag-sift ng flour. Okay? There you go. So remember, experiment muna to. Now let's add in the choco powdered milk. I'm using Birch Tree powdered choco milk. Okay? So this is an experiment. Try natin kung anong lasa. Then let's sift that para maging pino din ang ating powdered milk. Okay? There you go. So just sift it until wala lang mga lumps. And after that, I'm adding 3/4 cup sugar. So this time, it's not 1 cup. Tulad ng mga other mixtures ko. So this is just 3/4 cup na white sugar. Let's also sift that para maging pino din. There you go. And then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then let's mix the dry ingredients together para maging well incorporated silang lahat. Okay? Now let's add in 1 cup of water sa dry ingredient natin. So there you go. And then let's mix that. Mix until walang buo-buo, but do not overmix kasi we are using baking powder, baka hindi na siya umalsa. Okay? So just mix that until mawala yung mga flour, wala nang buo-buo. There. Okay? Di pala tayo gumamit ng egg today. So this is an eggless choco puto cheese na in-experiment ko. So let's see if yung taste is the same kahit wala siyang itlog. Okay? There you go. So there, ganyang mixture ang hinahanap natin. So do not overmix. Baka hindi kasi siya umalsa. Okay, so now is-sift natin yung mixture. So if you notice, hindi ko siya in-overmix. So may konting buo-buo pa siya. So yan yung kailangan natin. I-sift natin para maging mas better yung texture niya, mas smoother. So after sifting, pour into the molds. I'm using medium molds pala. So, by the way, I have a tip for you. Huwag niyo idikit-dikit as much as possible at huwag ilagay medyo sa dulo kasi minsan nagpapawis, ayaw natin na magkatubig yung ating molds. So, pour into the mixture. Huwag masyadong madami kasi aalsa pa yan. Okay? So, there you go. Let's put it into our molds. Make sure pala to add 1 tablespoon oil. Okay? There you go. And now, lagyan natin ng cheese. Lahat pwedeng lagyan nyo after 8 minutes and then steam ulit. Lagyan nyo ng cheese. Okay? So, yun yung ginagawa na iba. So, yan. Let's steam. Okay, now there you go. Perfect ang pagkaalsa niya. Very smooth, makinis. Look at that. That's our puto cheese. So, taste test if masarap ba to na walang egg ang ating puto cheese. Okay, so the reason ba't di ko nilagyan ng egg, kasi I heard kasi na may iba daw na allergy sa egg. So, baka may gustong mag-order na walang egg. So, better mag-experiment na. At least I could also cater to those people na allergic sa egg. So, there you go. It's fluffy. It's smooth. Then, tingnan nyo. Perfect. See? That's fluffy. So, now, ang taste test naman if masarap ba siya kahit walang eggs. So, smooth, fluffy ang texture. Makinis siya. I think we did it. Okay? Okay. So, mo ni siya ang puto cheese. Smooth siya sa diri but ayahang sulod dili. So let's taste test. Okay siya lasa but lahi lang gid ang nabitaw egg. Word mas ganahan ko may egg. Ako nagluto ng eggless because I heard na isang ibang tao at allergic sa egg. Okay siya, hindi ka siya fluffy. Ano siya? Mambata sa lasa. For me, abay siya, but from 1 to 10, I could just say 7. 7.5. Okay. Siguro kinaanad ko nga, evap and may egg. So, creamy siya. Pero lagi doon yung egg. Mas lamig din siya. And moto, daghan siya inato because of the bubbles. So, make sure na way bubbles inig mag-mix na mo. And with regards to sa taste, okay na siya. Pwede na siya, especially sa mga people na allergic sa egg. Lamig siya. Lamig siya, but not really kanang dito, mangita dyo ka sa kanang na ay egg lasa. So, ano siya? Let's eat. So, okay yung bubbles. Look. That's better. Perfect for coffee. Okay kasi. Hindi siya tamis because I only use 3/4 cup sugar. So, hindi siya bidli. So, I think pasado na siya. Pwede pang bata. Okay? Muna ang nahimo sa 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 sachet of Choco Birch Tree powdered milk. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my Facebook and YouTube channel, Cook and Eat with Tony.